gonna curve and head toward the north coming up here. Hopefully we'll see some. That's the other thing. I haven't seen any signs to 101 since I left Lake Wynoochee, which is kind of weird. Well, yeah, I did see the signs in the opposite direction, so I think I'm on the right road still. It is really nice when it's paved. Still following the power boxes, which has to go to the highway. That's why I always fill up with full tank of diesel before I start doing these roads. Just in case. Alright, the camera turned off again. So I'm not sure what's going on. I think it's just getting hot from the 4K video. And I have the dash covered up, so turning the air on. Actually, I could turn the air on. I don't know if it'll matter though. That's alright. Definitely going through the batteries fast though. I'm on my 4th one. Yeah, I am amazed at how much of this road is paved now. It's nice. They must have well, they do have a ton of logging. I wonder if it's for the logging trucks, really. Makes it easier for them. I zoomed out and we are definitely going toward the highway still, so that's good. Actually, I wonder if we're 3, 4, or 5 miles from it. So I have 2 batteries that have been charging for a while, and I'm hoping that they will fully charge before I'm out of batteries, because otherwise I really do need to get some more batteries now that I'm using 4K. I only have 4.5, 5 hours of battery life really with my 5 batteries. Since they're quitting early, I'm getting less than an hour of battery, I think. I mean, I could put it back in once it cools off, I think, but it's just a pain. I could not imagine people that bring trailers on this road to go camping. Of course, I'm sure they come up from Montesano. I would not want to drive a trailer on this road. It's pretty narrow, and there's no turning around. Now the road gets even better. Let's see what this sign says. Lake Wynoochee, 14 miles. Oh, I want to back up and read that. Keats Creek Trail, 11 miles. Campbell Tire Grove Campground, 14 miles. That's Forest Service Road 2204. We're gonna have to go explore that another day once all these roads open. I just can't believe there's so much backcountry that people like me, or most people just don't even know about when you have a car. Yeah, that looks like, I mean, that would be, by the time you drove north, you'd be almost straight west of Quinault Lake almost. Because we basically come out at Humptulips on Highway 101. And I think that's at least, or it's fairly close to 15-20 miles to Lake Quinault, I want to say. Oh, we almost have a dash lines even on the road now. We're back to double width. I think I can take the 4-wheel drive auto off. I hope you are enjoying these extreme back road videos. It's not the most scenic, but it's definitely remote. 235. Wow, there's some erosion in that creek. Jeez. Well, we're out of the National Forest. I just saw posted signs, and our map does not have a green background anymore. It's all private property. Probably have to break this video up into two also, which is fine. Yeah, if my batteries aren't charged by the time I drive through Aberdeen, I'll probably just head home. I won't have much battery power left after that. So I'll probably I might get 2 or 3 more batteries. They're only $20, $19.99. Target always has them. Seeing more bugs now. Windshield looks good though, still. What the speed limit is. Probably 45, I would imagine. 50 if we're lucky. So we've went 65 miles since we got diesel in Montesano. down that river on the right. I bet you could find some trillium in this area, maybe. So I just saw a sign behind me. We're on Forest Service Road 22 still. Be at the highway in about 5 minutes. Been gone for almost 5 hours. It doesn't seem like it. Like, time just flies when I do this. I don't know how it goes so fast. We're actually north of Humptulips. Yeah, I think we're 2/3 the way to Lake Quinault from Washigton, where we come out. This is the only road that cuts across this upper part of the forest above Aberdeen. Actually, I think there were some roads that took you pretty close to Lake Quinault, maybe, but I don't think they're going to be open this early yet. And probably that one road where they had the sign that said 14 miles to the Pete's campground, I think it was. Probably go up in that direction. We're about 1.5 miles, I would guess, looking at the map. I need to start remembering my squeegee. Oh, looks like the highway coming up. Yep. Oh, and there's the power station. The substation that was taking some of the power down this road and the rest down the highway, it looks like. Donkey Creek Road. It's what we came out on. Or Forest Road 23. But thanks for watching. That'll be a good test for the this video in 4K, driving that fast toward the end. I hope it's all clear like the rest of them, but I will see you next time. Bye.